What's up guys, welcome back to another tutorial. Today I want to show you how to add page numbers to the opposite side of each page in PDF. So let me just double click on this, and we're going to use Adobe Acrobat Pro. So let me open this PDF. You can see that we don't have page numbers, and we want to insert the page numbers on. Let's say you may want to print a PDF or to bound them like a book. So you want the one side to be to have even page numbers, and then the other side to be odd page numbers. So that's all we want to see in this tutorial. So what to do, just you can click on edit PDF on this right hand side sidebar. But if you don't have this tool here, you can click tools tab and then click on edit PDF, and then you can immediately you'll see some set of tools that have been added. Click on header and footer, click add. So here you can make some changes on font, margins, and then select where you want to place your page numbers. First, I'm going to change the font family to Times New Roman, and the font size I'm going to increase to 12. I'm going to leave the margin as they are. I think it's okay. And then I want my pages to be on the even numbers page to be on the left hand side at the bottom. So you can choose at the right, at the bottom, at the left, at the. So I'm going to click on this, click on it, and then insert page number, and then click on page range options, and subset we're going to select even pages only. Then click OK. Click OK. If I scroll down, you can see even number pages have been added, but some pages are lacking because you need to specify the odd pages numbers. So to add that, go back to headers and footers and click add. So you're going to get this warning that's telling you already have page numbers that is existing. Just add new to acknowledge that we are aware of that. And then I'm going to click on right foot text and insert page number. We're going to change the font family. So sorry, Times New Roman. Again, I'm going to increase the font to 12. So we said we adding, okay. So just insert, go to page range option, links again. This time round we're adding odd pages only. Click OK. Click OK. Now if I scroll down, you can see now we have page 1, this other side page 2, page 3 on the right hand side, page 4 on the left hand side. So I can just view this on a two-page view, so that you can clearly see what's happening here. So when you print this PDF as a book, you can see you have page 1, page 2, page 3, page 4, like so, and to the last page. So that's it for this tutorial, and that's how you can actually go about on adding page numbers to opposite side of each page on PDF. So see you in the next tutorial.